Hi. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have, first of all, I have my Ice Cream Beauty Bag. And I did just share my Ice Cream Beauty box, but I didn't have my bag in time to do them at the same time. So this will be a short video just showing you the things I got. So let's get started. Okay, friends, I'm going to pull out, this month we just got 3 items in the bag. We always get a palette. I'm going to save that for last, and I'm going to start with, I can't even remember what was in here. So this is called Time Bomb. It's from the Balm Cosmetics. I love the Balm. If you're not familiar with it, look them up. They're real fun company. They have cute names for all their makeup, and they kind of take on an old-fashioned girl and guy. Anyway, it's just kind of cute the way they do things. Okay, so I could not find the little card they send, so I've looked up all these products. Okay, so the Time Bomb is a primer, and it's valued at $30. And what it says about this, it just says gorgeous skin in no time. Wear the Time Bomb Primer Solo for visibly softer skin or under makeup so your look stays put. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, this quick-acting primer helps even out skin tone and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and pores, even faster than an Instagram filter. So that actually sounds pretty good. So this probably is a decent product. I like the idea that it has skincare in it, that it's going to help with, you know, evening your skin and fine. Now it's weird. Do you see that? It's just it's almost oil. It's not oily, but it's just kind of liquidy, soft. I could see how this could, I don't know if you can tell, I've spread it out here on my hand. Okay, it does. Okay, this feels so soft and there's no like residue. So I'm actually gonna use this. I think I'm gonna really like it. So I'm already excited for a $12.50 bag. I think that the total is $16.50 with tax and shipping. So anyway, I've already made it right there with that. So like I said, that's a $30 product and it looks like a great item. So I'm excited. So the next thing I have here is, this is the Illuminati Sparkle and Shine palette. So there we go. I love the pink cover, and it is valued at $22. And take a look at the color. There's the color story. It's got pinks and purples mainly. Anyway, I think I would use this palette, but I don't really want to swatch it because I'm not sure I'll keep it. I just have so many palettes. It's really a nice palette. I really like it. But anyway, Sparkle and Shine. So it's mostly mattes, but there's a couple of shimmers down here in the corner here. Really pretty palette. It really is. It's actually one I would use. Okay, what the heck. I'm gonna take this row right here because those are my colors, and I'm going to swatch them. See how pigmented it is. That doesn't really show up a lot on my finger. Let's see. Okay. There they are. And then I'm gonna put them right over this primer right here. Okay, so those are really pretty. They're light, but I'm sure they can be buildable. So I like that. I'm gonna try the pink here since I'm a pink girl, and then I'm gonna try these 2 shimmers in the corner. I like to put those in the corners on my eyelid and in the corners. So let's try those. Okay, the shimmers aren't really showing up. Here's the pink, and then I have shimmers on each side. They probably need to be picked up with a brush, But anyway, so there's the palette, $22 value. It's nice. I do own it now. I swatched it. So I'm going to try some looks with this, see what we can get. And so the last thing in the box is by Gerard Cosmetics. And it is a lip. Let me see what they call it here. Okay, this is they call it the Glow Getter Club. This is Gerard Cosmetics. That's what it looks like. And this is a Color Your Smile lighted lip gloss. So it's lighted, and the color on here I can't find online on their site, but this color is called James. I have no idea. It looks very dark. They do carry a lot of plum and purples in this. It says non-stick formula, built-in LED lights, and a mirror. So there's the mirror right there on the front. And I just have to pull off the sticker here. And it's cruelty-free, made in USA, long-lasting and high shine, pairs well with others, versatile textures. You can get a semi-sheer and sparkling to enhance your lips with a light reflecting glow, or choose our highly pigmented opaque glosses for full coverage and bold light. I think this might be the, I don't know. I think this might be the opaque. It's a bummer it's not my color, because I really think it's fun. Now, what's the thing about the light? Because okay, here we go. Can you guys see the light? Oh, wait, it went away. How do we get the light? I saw it. Okay. Do you see it lit up? So it has a light built in. I don't know if you can see it there. There's a light built in there, so you can use the light. This is, I don't know if it's showing up on the screen, but anyway, use the light, and then you can use the mirror. So, see the light shining on my face? So, anyway, it's a very dark color. I don't need that right now. I have my pink gloss on, so I need to keep my pink gloss. It might be fun if you mix it with a lighter, a more sheer. Anyway, I'll use it, at least try it, and try it with this. That would be kind of fun together. Now, on my Ice Cream Beauty box, I did do a try on. I used the makeup that I got in my box, so that box I did try-ons. This box I didn't. So I already had my pink makeup look on, so I just kind of went with that today. So anyway, that's the box. Definitely, like I said, this paid for the box, $30 item, $22 item. This is $26, I believe. Let me see. Nope, $24 for the lighted lip gloss. So anyway, I think this was fun. This was a fun little box or little bag. Definitely worth the money for me this month. So, and I actually will use these items, at least these two. I'm really curious about this. I think it could be fun. I messed up because I put too much in the middle, but I think I could play with it. I could play with it and come up with some fun looks. So anyway, there we go. Ice Cream Beauty Bag. If you're interested in it, like I said, it's $16.50. I think it's $12.50, and I don't know if the shipping's different where you are, but for me it's $16.50 with tax and shipping. So anyway, it's worth it. You get items that are worth way more than that price. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for being here. I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.